Do you know many people are having trouble with their Motorola walkie-talkies not transmitting voice? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check settings. Ensure both radios are on the same channel and code for proper connection. Step 2. Adjust volume. Increase the volume of your walkie-talkie and speak close to the microphone. Step 3. Check battery. Make sure the battery is charged to maintain strong signal transmission. Step 4. Use PTT properly. Press and hold the push-to-talk button while speaking clearly. Step 5. Avoid interference. Reduce physical barriers and maintain optimal distance to prevent interference. By following these steps, your communication issues should be resolved and your calls clear. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Motorola users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.